Hi, I'm Ranbir from St. Patrick's School. I have a classmate who came here in Sec 3 and he had done very well, so I was curious to know where he got his tuition from, and it happened to be ACPA. Before attending ACPA, I probably got 1 digit, and for N-levels I scored a 1. ACPA has a very small classroom and the teacher is very nice and focused on your individual weaknesses rather than the class weakness. So I find it very effective as it's based on your own needs and not the whole class. I find the worksheet at ACPA very effective because they're very in-depth and the teacher really goes through step by step, and he starts from the basics all the way to the small little things that you really have to look out for that get you your A1. I would say it's the week before my N-levels where the teacher set up an exclusive intensive class for the students taking the national exams, where he really focused on the little topics that he spotted out that might come up for the exam. I think it has opened me up to a bigger circle of friends, and I think the teacher is also very friendly, so making friends really changed my life because knowing from different walks of life and how we all started from getting maybe fail to all getting band 1 or band 2 for N-levels, really it's a journey. For sure, I think it's very effective, especially even if you come at the last minute, the teacher will put in the extra effort to make sure you at least secure a pass if you are failing, or if not, even get you your A. So I think coming here is a very good idea as the teacher will really help you at least pass. I would like to thank you, Alex and ACPA for helping me get my 1. Currently I'm in Sec 5 and he has still been consistently helping me, so I'd like to thank him. Thank you, Alex, and thank you, ACPA.